From above the ground and from below the surface, we find the ingredients for modern life. The smallest components and the grand designs all rely on the people, machinery, and expertise that run the world's mines. At Elan Cables, we understand that no two mines are the same. Each has a unique infrastructure of static and dynamic equipment, with a unique set of needs for the cables that provide power and control.
We are talking about large-scale projects. We get involved from the consultants, the EPC contractors, so the companies that do the engineering, the procurement, the construction, and then even with the mine itself. We are working actually from an early stage to understand what are the requirements for that mine. If it's a surface mine or underground mine or both, they will have different requirements. If it's exposed to sunlight, the cables need to follow certain characteristics, or if it's underground, the cables need to be halogen-free, for instance.
We often get inquiries for a standard product, and the easy thing to do would be to supply what's requested. But our industry experts care about the applications, the project, and they'll be asking questions. And it's through this engagement with customers that we can really add value.
For mining companies, safety is paramount. Therefore, automation is becoming key. Mining companies are taking people out of mines and allowing mines to be operated from a distance. It does offer huge benefits, like reducing cost, but it brings safety.
As more mines embrace automation, the need for robust cables is ever more important, not only for powering, but also for control and monitoring. At Elan Cables, we understand the conditions that a cable is going to face while in operation in a mine. So all of our cables are rigorously tested.
If you're installing something in a mining environment where the cable is trailing outside prior to going into a building or into an industrial unit, you want to know that that cable is suitable for that type of installation. Different locations will have different strength UV radiation and different exposure rates as well. Everything will eventually start to go weak and brittle with UV radiation. But what we're trying to do is accelerate that aging process to give guideline onto how long cables can last.
Our highly trained experts understand the demands cables face, how they're expected to perform, the environments where they'll be used, as well as the standards they need to meet for compliance. And we have the know-how to get our cables to any site, no matter how inaccessible.
As in any other project, in mine it's crucial to find the right partners to work with. We do have the expertise and we do have the know-how to ensure that we identify all that is needed and is exactly what is delivered on time in the end.
Elan Cables, a tailored service on a global scale.